welcome to Princess Collection. Today I'm doing something new, something I loved about it, something I love very much. Today I'm going to buy one new lovebird pair because this is the month of February, the Valentine's week had started. So I'm planning to buy one lovebird pair. I have one pair already, so I thought to gift myself one new lovebird pair. So let's go and check out where the market is and how many birds they have and what type of collection they have. So let's go and start it. Come on, girls. We are in the market of birds market. So you can look at the market at the back side of me, the whole birds market. So let's go and check out and bargain some price of birds. Come on. One lovebird there. Let's see the color of lovebird. Are you getting my voice? There's so much crowd here, so you can't listen my clear voice. So let's see the birds.
अरे ऐसी देख लो, आप कोई दिक्कत नहीं, बस देख लो बड़े नहीं छोटे। आपने तो मैडम इतना बड़ा हो जाएगा, इतना नहीं अभी तो छोटा है, बहुत बड़ा होगा भी। We are back from the market and let's show you what birds I bought today and let's see how cute they are. Let's see. The yellow one, the green, blue and the purple was in. Where's purple one? Here's the purple one, the show yellow one. So guys, if you like my video, please do thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Please and comment below. And if you want my more videos, so please do subscribe me and comment below. Thank you. Bye bye.